Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to check your battery health on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your settings, and the next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down until you found this battery, and then you just need to go click done. And the next thing you need to do is just go wait until all of the information it's just popping up into your screen. So if you want to check the battery health, so you just need to go click this battery health and charging. So you just need to go click them, and there will be shown to you the battery conditions of your phone here. So there will be like a maximum capacity, which is the 78% to 100%. So basically whenever we got our new phone, the maximum capacity will be 100, but then it can decrease along we use the phone. So here is my conditions of my battery right now, which is the 78%. So that is the way, guys, how to found the battery health on iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.